Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create chatbots from scratch with Customer Support Platform or CRM integration. These are incredibly useful tools, and if you'd like to see them in action, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. Before we dive into the canvas, I'll first demonstrate how to set up your custom knowledge base using the Schedules and Documents tabs. Start by navigating to the Schedules tab and adding a new schedule. Here, you have the option to index domains, URLs, sitemaps, and even YouTube channels as your knowledge source. In the Documents tab, you can add custom files or URLs, although these will not update automatically like the schedules. Once your knowledge sources are set up, go to the Integrations tab to configure the desired integrations. Now, let's move on to chatbot creation. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. We'll begin by adding our first component, the tool calling agent. This component acts as the core of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that can respond to users by leveraging the tools at its disposal. We should also add a chat history component to ensure that the chatbot remains context-aware and doesn't lose track of the conversation. The agent comes pre-equipped with the latest GPT model, so you don't need to add an LLM manually. However, you do have the option to change the LLM model if desired. Next, let's add the document retriever to enable our chatbot to access the custom knowledge sources we set up earlier. Simply choose them from the documents or schedules in the Document Retriever Advanced settings. We should also add the customer support platform of our choice in the Tools tab and configure it with the appropriate key or license ID. This template does not include a predefined prompt, but you can create one by using the System Message feature on the Tool Calling Agent. Once you've written the prompt, connect your agent to the output, and your chatbot is ready to go. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. As always, thank you for watching.